Welcome to Engine Explorer, where horsepower meets high-class living. And today, you're about to witness something truly unreal. This isn't just a truck. It's not just a motorhome. It's a rolling kingdom, and it's built on the back of the legendary 2026 Kenworth W900. Let's get one thing clear. The W900 has always been a symbol of American trucking power. But what you're about to see redefines everything you thought a truck could be. Meet the double-decker W900 luxury motorhome. A 60-wheel, two-story beast that doesn't just drive like a dream, it lives like a palace. From the outside, it's a showstopper. The long-nosed W900 retains its iconic muscular silhouette, with chrome fenders, vertical exhaust stacks, and a shimmering gold-accented black finish. It's wide, it's low, and it looks like it eats highways for breakfast. But the real magic? It starts when you step inside. The lower level welcomes you with full-grain Italian leather interiors, underfloor heating, and a 14-foot wide lounge. Area wrapped in panoramic smart glass windows, reclining theater seats with built-in massage, ambient lighting synced to your music, and a 100-inch OLED 8K screen with surround sound that makes movie night next level. Head into the kitchen zone and it's a chef's paradise. Custom cabinetry, touch control induction stove, convection oven, and a luxury fridge with a built-in espresso bar. All of it controlled by a central voice-activated smart system. You say it, it does it. And yes, there's a full dining booth with a skyline view. Now here's where things go wild. Take the elevator, yes, an actual elevator, or staircase up to the second floor. This is where the W900 becomes pure royalty. The master suite features a king-size hydraulic bed with memory foam, skylights with auto-dimming glass, and even a built-in Starfield ceiling for those peaceful nights off-grid. There's also a guest suite, a mini spa with a sauna and rainfall shower, and even a private office with satellite Wi-Fi so fast, you could literally run a business from a mountaintop. This isn't just about looks. Under the hood, the 2026 900 runs a hybrid, turbo diesel paired with an advanced electric assist system for smoother rides and eco-efficiency. It has adaptive air suspension, GPS-adjusted terrain mode, and automated leveling when parked. Oh, and solar panels on the roof? They recharge both living and drive systems, so even in the middle of nowhere, you've got power. Storage bays? Massive security. 360-degree night vision cameras and biometric entry. Everything here is built for freedom and built to impress. So what, can a truck really live like a palace? The 2026 Kenworth W900 double-decker motorhome doesn't just answer that. It redefines it. This machine is comfort, performance, and luxury, all wrapped into one unstoppable road titan. Thanks for riding with us on Engine Explorer. If this blew your mind as much as it did ours, hit that like button, subscribe, and share.